Welcome to my channel MotoGP Aragon. GP Miller's crashes fosters in FP3 as Marcos Lewis in Q1. Marquez made his long-awaited Grand Prix weekend turn on Friday after a 110 days absence, where he recovered from a fourth major operation on the right arm fencing. The eighth day of Friday overall, Marcus admitted he was likely suffering with his physical condition and was yet fined to yet. Jack Miller is topped across field FP3 for the Aragon GP. Marc Márquez 93 faces Q1 in his MotoGP to return after a tumble life. Left him 12th report. Jack Miller led a Ducati 1-2 in the crash, driven third parties for the MotoGP Aragon Grand Prix as a dump for Marquez. Marcos left him outside of the Q2 places. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.